I am joined by Ashok Chaudhary, who is going to be sworn in as the minister. He's a senior minister and a very close confidant of Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, as well as his daughter Sambhavi, who is one of the youngest MPs in the parliament. First, I will go across to Sambhavi. Sambhavi, how elated are you with your father becoming a minister once again?
I think this is a moment that we waited for quite some time and worked really hard for. It is definitely a cherished moment, but I think apart from being happy, we realize that it's a huge responsibility and to deliver to the promises that we've made to the people of Bihar. After receiving such a huge mandate, I think it's important and imperative to stand up to those promises and deliver. I think that is what I'm thinking right now, that Dad has huge responsibility on his shoulders, and I think he has been able to perform to his best capability, and he will continue to do so.
That is why Nitish Kumar trusts him.
Of course, I think he does see that there is potential in my father. He has been able to deliver in whatever role he has been, given. So definitely it is Nitish Kumarji's blessings, and he's going to take the oath for the 10th time. It feels surreal. It feels like a moment that we've waited for.
What do you emulate from him? His work style, work ethics?
I think his honesty and dedication to the honesty and dedication that he has towards politics, the role that he's given, and also the way he keeps working hard every day. There is no rest day for him. So that is something that I have learned, and I will continue to take forward for as long as I will.
Is there any father-daughter combination in politics right now? Who is a member of parliament and minister here? No, I don't think so.
There is always a father-daughter combination. I am his shadow and I will continue to be his shadow.
So, Ashokji, you are being sworn in as the minister once again. Please come here. Sworn in as the minister once again. The huge responsibility on you entrusted by Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar. When did you get the call?
I get the call around 9.
What did the CM say?
CM said that come to Gandhi Maidan to take oaths.
So it's a huge mandate, landslide mandate, and a huge responsibility on you, especially from the women folks who voted in large number. And Sambhavi, your daughter, is also a woman. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has often said that Bihar ki sabse choti beti hai.
Yeah, that is true that we have got, but if you see by making policy or implementing that policy, Nitish has worked very hard from last 20 years. When he became in 2005, so he has taken loan from World Bank and started this self-help group called Jivika. And from there he has started working on women empowerment. Socially, politically, if you see Panchayati Raj, he has given reservation. If you see job, he has given reservation. If you see police force, the Bihar is having the highest number of women constable here in Bihar. So he's working out. And definitely in coming years also, in coming this 5 years also, he will definitely
it's an incredible achievement for a chief minister for the 5th straight term, 20 years in power, 25 years running. And there cannot be a better farewell than this for Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar, because we all expect that this is going to be his last election. And we cannot see another Nitish Kumar in the coming years, because we see the talent pool, what we have in the BJP, JDU. I make no bones about it. I don't see anyone else coming even an inch close to Nitish Kumar.
That in all over India, nobody match Nitish Kumar. There is no doubt about it.
When it comes to integrity, work ethics, passion,
work ethics, policies, thought process, he's a workaholic man, only for working for people who are downtrodden, who are women.
Whenever people write him off, he bounces back like a roaring tiger, right?
Yes, definitely. Whenever. Last time he has not performed well in 2020, but otherwise he has performed well. But you are right that whenever people say that now the time of Nitish is...
Prashant Kishore was saying that 25 seat nahi aayegi. Ab bataiye. हिंदी में मैं कह सकता हूँ, ऐसा लगता है कि भगवान ने नीतीश कुमार को इच्छा शासन का वरदान देके भेजा है।
हो ये डेफिनेटली यू कैन से, मतलब
आप तो महादेव के भक्त।
जिस तरह से नीतीश जी को लोगों ने इस चुनाव में राइट ऑफ और हेल्थ इश्यूज को लेकर के बराबर he has performed so well. He has performed so well. If you compare to BJP was having a lot of people, a lot of CM, lot of central government ministers.
But there is a huge challenge before you now. To perform as far as the development of Bihar is concerned, industrialization is concerned, improving the education standards are concerned, creating new infrastructure, urbanization, because other states have leapfrogged much way ahead as far as development is concerned.
Yeah, definitely, I agree with you. But
I think you are getting late for the swearing in. All the best. My
Thank
good
you.
wishes to you. I'll see you in Gandhi Maidan.
Thank you.
So there you have Ashok Chaudhary, Bihar minister, who's going to be sworn in as the minister in Nitish's cabinet, and will soon join you there in the Gandhi Maidan at the oath-taking ceremony venue.